Hi chums! Today's video, I will give you an idea about construction-themed birthday. Let's start with a DIY pre-birthday photo shoot. The inner shirt is from Orange App, the vest and the caps from DIY. DIY invitation edited using Canva. It's editable. Comment down if you want the link. Our souvenir is still DIY. It's a RAF calendar magnet. Still in Canva. Comment down if you want the link. DIY loot bag. I will upload a video tutorial on how to make this loot bag. It's very easy. Centerpiece. A construction toy with flower and a container to be filled with candies. Decoration, I paid this for 4,500 pesos only. The cake. The foods. We just cooked them at home and brought them to the venue. Desserts. We got a party host magician to entertain the visitors. DIY party hats. Pabitin. Piñata. The gifts. And the Poging birthday boy. That's all. I hope you got an idea. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye chums!